Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be discussing the Position Master Data template under the Employee Work Information section. We'll begin with the instructions sheet. Here first we have Tab section, which provides an overview of all the templates included in this section. Next, we have the Definitions tab, which explains each template in more detail to help you better understand the purpose and structure of the data. Following that, we cover the prerequisites. These outline the necessary requirements before entering data into the sheet. Then we move on to the template instructions. It's important that you read these carefully before you start filling out the data template. After that, please refer to the data entry instructions, which provide step-by-step guidance for accurately completing the template. Next, we have the Trigger section, which comes into play after filling out the worksheet. This section is used to validate the entries by highlighting any missing data or incorrectly formatted information. For a more detailed explanation, please refer to the Data Template Overview video. Now, let's move on to the Position Master template sheet and see how to add position-related data in each column. Before adding position data, ensure that grade, job, and qualification information is already available, as these are prerequisites for configuring Position Master details. Now let's see the columns to enter the data. Organization. In this column, enter the name of the organization for which the positions are being added. If you are working with multiple organizations and the Position Master data is maintained separately for each, then provide the data organization-wise. Position code. Enter a unique code for each position. This helps in uniquely identifying a position within the system. This field is optional. If left blank, the system will auto-generate code during data import. Position name. Provide the official title of the position. We have provided a default list of positions under the default master data worksheet. You can refer to this list for position names. If a required position name is not available, then add the position name manually in this sheet. Grade name. Indicate the grades associated with this position. For example, junior, senior, executive. If a position corresponds to multiple grades, you should repeat the position name in multiple rows, one for each grade. Example: Marketing Manager, Junior. Marketing Manager, Senior. Start date. Enter the effective date when the position was introduced in the organization. Use the appropriate format. If the exact start date is unavailable, use a default start date that is less than or equal to the start date of the first employee assigned to this position. Qualification required. Mention the minimum qualifications required for the position. Be specific to ensure correct hiring and mapping during recruitment or HR processing. This is how you can add the data in the Position Master Data template. That concludes today's session. Thank you for attending.